Welcome to Tammy's Ripping Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make a curry noodle bowl. I hope you enjoy. I've actually tried two different types of noodles, a bean noodle and a rice noodle, so I will show you both of them. So I've got a lot of spices here. I've got garlic powder, turmeric, cumin, paprika, and some coriander seed, and some salt and pepper. I will be leaving the recipe for you below. So I've got all my vegetables chopped. I've got broccoli, mushrooms, garlic, ginger, onion, carrots, and celery. And now we're going to fry them up. And while that's sauteing, you can get your curry paste ready. And once your vegetables are all sauteed up, you're going to add the curry paste. And now I've also added in the vegetable broth, along with the coconut milk to make it nice and creamy. So here I've cooked my noodles, rinsed them with cold water, and put some sesame oil on them. I also want to say here too, if you find your noodles are sticking together, just rinse them quickly under a bit of hot water and loosen them up and then throw them in your pot. And now they're ready to add to the mixture. You can give them a good stir and heat them throughout. And now they're ready to plate up. And you can garnish them with whatever you like, but I like the sesame seeds and some lime. And here's a picture of the bean thread noodles that I used for this recipe. I don't have a picture of the rice noodles that I used for the next one, but they are the thicker rice noodle. And now on to version 2 with the rice noodles. So again, all the spices you'll need to make your paste. And here's what it will look like once you're all finished, mixing all the spices and the chili garlic sauce together. And again, sauteing up the vegetables, adding in the curry paste and the broth, and also the coconut milk. And now it's time to add in the cooked rice noodles. And now give it a good stir, and it'll be ready to serve. Here I did cook up some tofu. I'll also be leaving that in the recipe for you below. So once again, this recipe can be enjoyed with bean noodles or rice noodles. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you haven't already, please subscribe.